Chapter 4, it's setting server options. Now what I'm gonna do is to start, go to, since I already logged in as administrator, go to HCP. Now let's click to the right click on rent options and configure options there, and let's check the 006 DNS server, and in the address box you need to type the 192 192 0 0 and click add. Now um, click apply and OK to save changes. And let's close the DHCP system. So that's how to set server options. Now this is how the video ends.